And here it comes. Oh, here it comes. Oh, oh, number 62. Here comes the Amtrak train. Yes, this Sizzling. Here it comes. I hope it's number 60. I hope the locomotive number 62. Rail Sizzling. Train coming. There it is. Please be 62. Ah, bother, that's not. Train number 621. Oh, man. Whoa, Amtrak, stop! Wow, look all the passengers heading home from their Christmas with their family. That back will hover at and Boyden he moved to the center of the car.
Someone needs to wipe that end.
Wipe the end? What's wrong with it?
Somebody get more white paint.
Okay. The Amtrak employee gotta wipe that end when the train gets to Union Station. And along some other there because it's dirty. Step back to home. See, Naheem? Now you get the doors opening, just like on ROBLOX. And you were not impressed or amazed. Ah well. We'll play Northeast Corridor when we get home, so you can experience the door opening process, okay? Thomas promise. In the meantime, let's watch this train leave. Good. Good. Clack. Click. Clack. Click. Clack. Click. Clack. Click. Click. Clack. Click. Clack. Go. 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 Merry Christmas, Amtrak! And Merry Christmas. Well, that's all. Okay, Naheem, that's all.